Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to create a simple audio system for your game. I prepared empty objects and also buttons to trigger single audio clips. I will also show you how to create looped background music. We have to write the script. It will play short audio clips. We need audio source that can play audio. I will declare my clip. We can use play one shot to play clip. I will do the same for other sounds. Now we need to attach our script and other needed components to our empty objects. Good practice is to have one audio listener on the scene. Here I will have audio source for single sounds. Let's set our buttons. It works. Now I will show you how to create looped background music. Thanks for watching.